Before I start, let me convey our sincerest condolences with the IFP caucus with the terrible loss of Honourable Job. May his soul rest in peace. Honourable House Chair, harnessing parliamentary diplomacy to achieve global solidarity, equality and sustainability are lofty ideals, and indeed, if pursued with sincerity, they hold the promise of a better tomorrow, not just for South Africa as G20 host this year, but for the group of nations to which we belong. However, as a nation, we must reflect critically on whether our domestic policies and international alignments truly embody the ideals we so boldly proclaim. South Africa speaks of global solidarity, yet our actions often betray this ambition. We continuously align ourselves with nations regarded as pariahs on the global stage. Countries like Iran and Russia, whose policies and actions frequently stand in stark contrast to the principles we proclaim to promote. We champion the idea of equality, and yet within our borders, we enforce race-based legislation that deeply divides our people, claiming to address historical injustices, but in reality, it only perpetuates resentment, stifles meritocracy, and undermines the very spirit of equality it purports to promote. How can we advocate for equality on the global front when we fail to uphold it at home? True equality is a principle that uplifts all without pulling any down, that promotes equal opportunities as opposed to equal outcomes. Ek kom terug na die P20 beraad, voorsitter. 'n Beraad vir die wetgewende sektor vir die parlemente van die G20 lande om by te dra tot die debat oor belangrike internasionale kwessies. Maar kom ons vee eers voor ons eie deur. Vertroue in die Suid-Afrikaanse parlement is tans op 'n skandelike laagtepunt. In 2023, according to the HSRC South African Social Attitude Survey, South Africans had more confidence in the SABC and the National Defence Force than in the South African Parliament. Trust in Parliament declined from 65% in 2004 to 26% in 2023, and I can give you my word, it will be even lower in 2025. Maar waarom het Suid-Afrikaners nie vertroue in die Suid-Afrikaanse parlement nie? Kan dit wees omdat partye soos onder meer die MK en die EFF op 'n weeklikse basis hierdie platform vir 'n rassehaat vertoning gebruik?
Point of order. What has this to do with MK?
Honourable Denner, just pause for a moment and take your seat. Honourable member, please alert me to the fact that you want to be recognized by raising your hand.
I would like to
not unmuting and speaking. Why do you want to be recognized?
Chairperson, I would like to ask, what has
No,
anything to do with
you know the rules, Honourable. Honourable Denner, would you be prepared to take a question at this point?
House Chair, no, because it will be just as senseless as the points of order. Can I continue, House Chair?
Leave MK.
No, Honourable member, please don't do that. Honourable Mhlongo, why do you want to be recognized?
Ngiyabonga House Chairperson lo mthetho mengaphambili uthi yena ke siyinhlangano ye-EFF ngithi lesenta lendlu ingabi ne-integrity. Therefore, she's casting aspersions on the EFF. Can she withdraw that?
No, Honourable member, thank you for that. That's not a point of order. Our rules are quite clear. One can cast aspersion on a member, not on a party. Honourable Denner, please continue.
Dankie voorsitter, ek's dankbaar vir hierdie vertoning want dit illustreer my volgende
Honourable Denner, just hold on again. Honourable member, I've made my ruling. I'm not going to enter into a debate with you regarding that.
On a point of order, Chair.
Yeah, I'll come to the virtual platform just now. Is that something new, or do you want to debate the merits and demerits of my ruling?
Chair,
No, I
please
think-
don't make
I think it's fair that you give me an
I'm raising my
opportunity.
hand on a different matter.
Don't prophesize what I want to say.
Honourable member on the virtual platform, I've not yet recognized you.
Yeah, you should.
Honourable, please mute until you are recognized on the virtual platform. Honourable Mhlongo, why do you want to be recognized at this time?
Bengifuna kubuta ukuthi uyakhona yini ukuthatha umbuto simbude ukuthi eIsrael yena soyile utiva njani nje ngendzaba le.
Thank you. I'll inquire from her. Yeah, I'll thank you. I'll inquire from Honourable Denner. Are you prepared at this point to take a question? Thank you. The honorable member on the virtual platform, why did you want to be recognized?
No, thank you very much, Chair. Chair, I think the manner in which you are treating some of our members is incorrect and it's unfair. The honorable member from the MK has raised the point of order. Without even hearing to what he wanted to say, you interjected.
No,
Professor.
thank you, honorable member. Maybe you didn't pay attention where you are sitting. The honorable
no.
member wanted to ask a question of the member on the platform.
No,
Our rules
let me
clearly
finish.
dictate that
Why are
we
you
first
raising- why are you
inquire
raising
from the
my
member
mind?
on the virtual platform whether
Now,
they've
are you
prepared
raising
to
my
field the
mind?
question.
Are you raising
Honorable
my mind?
member,
Are you
please
raising my
mute
mind?
yourself now. Otherwise,
You don't-
I will determine that you are disregarding the authority of the chair. Yes, honorable member, to my right, why do you want to be recognized?
Thank you very much, finally, Chair. They gotta just be patient with members of MK. They are.
No,
they are not
honorable
aware.
member, you don't add fuel to the fire.
That
Why do you
finish
want to
that
be
one.
recognized?
Chair,
Nice.
point of
Finish
order,
that one.
Chair.
Please, let's be patient with them.
Yeah, no, that's not a point of order. That's not an intervention in terms
We
of
don't need your help.
out of order.
We don't need your help.
Yeah, honorable
No,
member.
no, Chair. We must leave MK alone. These comrades are fine. Chair.
Order.
We're with them, yeah?
Honorable member, why do you want to be recognized?
On a point of order, Chair, and Rule 92, that member is a chairperson of a committee. He cannot behave in this unruly manner.
Thank you, honorable member, but I didn't need your assistance. I've already ruled him to be out of order.
The assistance was free.
Honorable Denner, please continue. Order, honorable members. Let's give honorable Denner her opportunity to debate.
When I were incompetent, man, I think we must take you out of that chair.
IT services, please remove the honorable member who keeps on unmuting.
Dankie voorsitter. Die verval van dekorum in hierdie huis wat nou perfek geïllustreer is hier, is 'n absolute skande. 'n Skande wat klakkeloos deur die MK voortgesit word met onsinvolle punte van orde, tussenwerpsels en ander belaglikhede. Kan dit wees dat petisies nie na behore hanteer word nie? Is dit dalk die rede? Of dat die howe keer op keer die deurvoer van wetgewing op prosedurele aspekte omkeer? Of dalk is dit omdat openbare deelname en as ware die stem van die mense net eenvoudig nie gehoor of in ag geneem word nie. En dan moet ons vra, waarom stem Suid-Afrikaners nie? Korrupsie gedei in die openbare sektor en parlementêre oorsig doen weinig om dit te bekamp. Waar is ons tande? Geweld, ongelykheid, armoede, swak dienslewering en werkloosheid is die mense van Suid-Afrika se daaglikse realiteit. Daarteenoor het ons ministers wat skaamteloos in hierdie huis verklaar dat hulle sekere beleid in Suid-Afrikaners se kele sal afdruk, soos 'n boelie wat sy wil op ander afdruk. En dan vra ons hulle, hierdie mense, om hierdie parlement te vertrou. Die P20 beraad is van uiterste belang, waar die Suid-Afrikaanse parlement as gasheer 'n vertoonstuk van ons Suid-Afrikaanse demokrasie moet wees. Maar voordat ons nie ons eie huis en ons eie lede
Point of order,
te
Chairperson.
kry nie, sal ons nie uitvoering aan
We
hierdie
don't have
belangrike
Afrikaans
mandaat
translation.
gee nie. Ek dank u voorsitter. It's on your oortjies.
Thank
We
you.
don't have African.